I was in a forced marriage for 8 months. I was told the army could take me away by force. It would be better if I got married in order to save my honor. Since my mother is blind, she agreed to marry me off. We had just arrived in Bangladesh for the first time. We didn't know anything about the place. We didn't know the laws or the rules. We came here with a lot of fear from all the violence. I was so fearful. I'm just a teenager. But they grabbed my neck and I was so scared. That's why I was crying a lot. I was so upset. My mom said God has not given permission. But those people said it was God's will to get married to that man. My mom turned to me and told me to just accept my fate.